Howdy crew, got another unboxing for the welding rig. Let's get to it. Alright, so another unboxing for the welding rig. Slight drizzle here in Los Angeles. Wonderful. Already cut the top. Ready to open this up. This is going for the reorganization of the welding rig. This product was mentioned in the comments before by some subscribers, so I'm very pleased to let you all know I did in fact get this. I was debating on whether getting another one that I did have in my sights beforehand, but I went with this one instead because it's heavier duty. And without further ado, I will show y'all what it is. Okay, so there's two boxes in here. All right, well, let's still open these up. There we go. All right, so these are jerry can holders. Very happy to have these. And so these will be locked up in the rig, and I'll show y'all in a moment where they're gonna be. But basically, you have this that flips up, you put your jerry can in here, and then you can have it on that one, or you can put it down on this one. So that's all great. These are nice and heavy duty. These are made by a company, I forgot the name, I believe it starts with a V, that actually makes these. That's not who shipped these, but I believe it starts with a V. It's similar to Wavion. Wavion makes the official jerry can, NATO jerry can for NATO. And this is a company that makes very similar standard stuff. I could not find Wavion's jerry can holders if they make any. So I went with this other company because they hold similar specs. And I know it's a slippery slope when you say specs, but yeah, it should be a lot heavier duty than the other ones that are the thinner ones that just kind of wrap around here with a thinner piece of sheet metal going over top. So I'm very happy about this. Very happy. Y'all can see it has plenty of points of contact in here. Keep it from rattling around. I'm very happy about that. And obviously it'll be locked in. So that's all good. It's just moving things around in the rig. And I'll go to unbox the other one and I'll show y'all where these are gonna be put. Alrighty, original game plan was have the jerry cans down there where y'all have been seeing them for a bit. They're not full, they're just empty. Again, staging everything, trying to figure out where things are gonna go. And that's just way too difficult to get all the way in there, unlock all that stuff, get those out. It's just too much. It was blocked from the heat of the machine, which is great, and have several water cans in the way, stuff like that. It was a good spot, just way too difficult to get to, so that's why I'm not going with that. And yeah, you all can see they do fit down there pretty good. I was pretty pleased with it, but it's just too difficult. So, new game plan. I was thinking they could be locked down there somehow, but I'll show y'all. They are gonna be right here. So, y'all can see that they're gonna be right up against the rail. They're gonna be bolted down. You can see right here, it can be bolted down here and over there. Same thing with this one. Where's it? There it is, right there and right there. And there's no really good spot for U-bolts on this rum or this rum. So what I'm gonna do is probably some sort of metal wire or something like that. Get it tied to where it goes from here down to here. Where is it? This one right there. So, anywho's, that's kind of the game plan at the moment. I have them really close together, obviously, as you all can see, but all I need is a lock that can flip up and I can unlock it, and then it just opens up like so. You take that out and you're good to go. So, anywho's, very happy about that. They will no longer be down there. Frees up room for some of those to go down there. Other stuff can go in here if need be. And yeah, they are close together here for a reason. Y'all will see why they are close together. That is today's unboxing, and there'll be more to come on that, installation, all that good stuff. I'm just getting everything fitted first before actually doing anything. Again, measure 1,000 times, cut once. So that is what I am doing on the welding rig. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.